Picked up these slippers a while ago. I'm very finicky with slippers. I need to make sure they're not like constricted and there's a lot of room. And these were perfect right away. So I wanted to go through and show you. Nice and big. You got the part back here to just go around your ankle a bit. And they're very comfortable. Yeah, I definitely recommend them if you're looking for slippers.